It takes an activity that was not accessible to the public and makes it accessible to guests. Mm-hmm.
We got Yeti here on the left, and we got Annie Oakley on the right, and Heather's got Bullwinkle on the left there, and Rasta on the right. Rasta and Bullwinkle are our gentlemen. Annie Oakley is our only lady on this trip. Good dogs! That was awesome! Good dogs! Hike up, hike. All right.
So what do you think it is about dog sledding, either in summer or winter, that sort of draws people in and captures that imagination that they want to do that?
I think it's seeing the dogs do what they love. When you see the dogs hooked up and see them pounding at the lines and so excited about what they're doing, you can really tell that they love what they're doing.